like I said, I didn't get a chance to see my father overcome his addiction, but I had a chance to see my mother um, um, become a better mother and um, become more responsible when she decided, like most people, decided to give her life to Christ, um, and and that made things a lot better for her, and it was really good seeing her overcome the things that she had been through before, that she was put through with my father, and through their divorce and tough trial and things like that in the relationships, and to watch her to become successful, I would say, become a homeowner, um, become a part of various organizations and things like that. So I want to give, like a big shout out to my mom and women like her and men like that are in that position to overcome um, their drug addiction and things of that nature.